Back with DS Diving out here on a 30-foot Century and Doctors Lake Marina. Now, I want to do a little comparison video to show you a side I haven't cleaned and then a side I have cleaned. I will also show you have damage to your starboard side propeller. There's a little nick, and both starboard and prop side rudders are both bent, kind of like this. I think you're also missing through hole covers, and I think that's about it for right now, all I can see on the clean side. So let me show you the dirty and then I'll swim on over and show you the clean. That was the dirty side. Now let's check out the clean side. Alright, obviously you can see your bottom paint is not doing very well. So let me show you your props and your rudders.